Are you tackling a significant cleanup or renovation project? You're not alone in wondering how to manage all that waste efficiently. That's where Complete Disposal LLC transforms how you think about dumpster rental services. No matter the size of your project, from a small home cleanout to a large construction site, we've got you covered. Our wide range of dumpster sizes ensures you get the perfect fit for your waste management needs. We pride ourselves on making the rental process as straightforward and stress-free as possible. Complete Disposal LLC is more than just a dumpster rental service. We're your partners in managing waste responsibly. We ensure that your waste is disposed of in an eco-friendly manner, giving you peace of mind and positively impacting the environment. With a few clicks on our website or a quick call to our friendly team, you can schedule your dumpster rental hassle-free. Once scheduled, our professional team will deliver your dumpster at a time that suits you best, taking the utmost care to protect your property. All you have to do is fill it up, and we take care of the rest. So, why wait? Visit www.completedisposal.co, or call us at 719-948-7686 to learn more and schedule your dumpster rental today. Make your next cleanup project a breeze with Complete Disposal LLC, where service meets sustainability.